You know, on this.
Trashing out a house here in Dana Point from a flood. Got a major flood we're working on here with the good crew. They're working their tails off. They're tearing out ceilings and walls and protecting the floor while we're doing this. Working away in the middle of the process. It doesn't look pretty right now, but when we're done at the end of the day, it's going to be swept, clean, dust-free. But here you see behind me, we got it under containment, and so all the dust is totally strictly located to the room that we're working in. And gosh, what a beautiful place to be working in. In case of water damage, call now.